Hey, how you doing? Do you want to learn a new language this year 2024? Yeah? Well, perfect, because that's what I'm here for. Please do not hesitate to subscribe, then hit the notification icon so you won't miss any new content of this channel. Thank you.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
I have decided to start over for all my new and current subscribers so you can easily follow the lessons, which are going to be very short and even more organized. Yes, in this new lesson number 1, we are going to learn about the Haitian alphabet. However, I am going to present it to you our way, the way that is less confusing and less complicated to you. So, let's go. En allez. The Haitian alphabet is formed of the Latin rooted letters. It sounds like the French, but it has numerous letter combinations that make its number of letters way above 30. These letter combinations will come in a separate lesson for you. Here's what I want you to know. There is no letter C, no H, or no letter U standing alone in Haitian Creole. There is no letter Q. The Q sound is the K sound, and it is replaced by letter K or K in Creole. There's also no letter X. We use a mix of 3 letters to bring up the phonetic of that letter. It is EKS, or in Creole, EKS or EKS, which is X. So, in Creole, the letters of the alphabet in our own way are as follow. A, A, A. B, B, B. C, H, Sh, Sh. Remember, there is no letter C standing alone in the Haitian Creole. C, H, Sh, Sh. D, D, D. E, E, F, F, F. G, G, G. I, I. J, J, J. K, K, K. L, L, L. M, M, M. N, N, N. O, O, O. O, O, O. P, P, P. R, R, R. S, S, S. T, T, T. V, V, V. W, W, W. Y, 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 Y. Z, Z, Z. Well, that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Merci teske ou tap gade. Remember, if you like it, share it. Then subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you won't miss our very next video. Bye bye. À la prochaine. See you next.